this tutorial we will discuss upscaling, because as you know, it's quite common when you need to upscale your images and give more pixels, give more details, but you don't want to re-render because it's too long, it's too slow, and AI is really helping us to solve this issue. So as you see here, the left option was before upscaling, and the right option is after upscaling. In Vizmaker, we have quite a lot of different upscalers and different upscaling options. And I wanted to show you the quality of the image we had. So we were starting from this, like, yeah, really, it's almost only 500 pixels. And it's not enough, of course. So generally, I'll show you the different options. What engines can we use? We can use different engines as Seedream, ChatGPT engine. We can use NanoBanana Pro. We can also use our Pro upscaler, Magnific Creative, and Magnific More Creative, and of course Magnific Precision. It's like a new version of Magnific where we have more details, and I'll compare you A to B to hope you'll have more interest now in learning this topic. So yeah, let's click enlarge and let's see what do we have here. Like now we have much more details on our building. Of course AI is giving some glitches, but generally it gives you a huge improve of the quality in seconds. For example, check the greenery here and greenery before the upscaler. Check your concrete here and now. Like, it's really cool, it's really good, and it's a very fast result if we're talking about fast upscalers when you need to improve the quality and, for example, you don't want to wait too long and your goal is to make a fast preview renders, and then you can simply upscale it. So yeah, that's our main topic. That's what we will discuss in this tutorial blog. So hope you will like it and see you in the next tutorial.